September 10th, 2023. This may be the first viable concept of perpetual motion. You can see the ball is capable of something similar to altitude gains. Once we account for the fact that with a taller ball, the ball has very little need to gain. It doesn't require any gain of altitude at the beginning, and has a strong advantage of the lever, which is unusual for these contraptions. And we can see that if we look at the angle, you can tell that there's very little need of any advantage of the lever at all, whatsoever at all. And once the lever is pressed down, there's actually a very strong upward gain from the minimum altitude required. So that's very interesting. Thanks for watching.